In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma IE. First, open your browser and head to gamma.app. If you already have an account, log in. If not, sign up. It only takes a moment. Once you're in, look for the Create New button. This is where every project begins. Next, choose Generate with AI. If you see format options, pick website or web page. Gamma isn't limited to slide decks. It can build clean, scrollable, website-style pages that feel like a modern landing page. Now tell Gamma what you want to create. Type a clear prompt describing your site's purpose. For example, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency or portfolio website for a virtual assistant or sales page for an online course. Be as specific as you can about the audience, offer, and desired tone. The more detail you give, the better Gamma can match your vision. Before generating, adjust the settings so the result fits your brand. Choose a tone or style, like professional, modern, or minimal. Set the length, short, medium, or long, depending on how much information you want on the page. Then pick a theme to control the overall look and feel. When everything looks right, click Generate. Gamma will produce a draft website for you. Expect structured sections like a hero area, an about section, services, and a clear call to action, along with ready-to-edit text and a thoughtful layout. Scroll through the entire page to get a full sense of the flow and note what you want to refine. From here, edit the content directly on the page. Click any section to update the text so it matches your voice, add or delete sections you do or don't need, and rearrange the layout to put the most important information first. Keep headings scannable and make your key message obvious. Next, customize the design. Update colors and fonts to align with your branding, add images, videos, or icons to support your message, and fine-tune spacing for readability. Aim for a clean, consistent look so visitors focus on your content. If you need more, click plus add card to insert extras like testimonials, pricing, a contact section, or FAQs. These can boost trust and help answer common questions right on the page. Don't forget your links and buttons. Edit labels like book now or get started so they're action-oriented and connect them to your social profiles, booking pages, or product and service links. When you're ready to share, click share or publish. Generate a live link and send it to your clients or audience. No coding needed. That's it. Your Gamma AI website is live and ready to go.